Most people assume all moving truck rentals are the same, but here's the surprising truth. Your choice of company can drastically affect cost, convenience, and stress levels. Today I'm sharing my real experience with Penske Truck Rental. Penske specializes in moving trucks for local and long-distance moves. They offer a variety of sizes, from small cargo vans to 26-foot trucks for big moves. Reservations can be made online or by phone, with clear pricing upfront. Most people get this wrong by focusing only on rental price. With Penske, fuel policy, mileage, insurance, and customer service are just as important. You won't believe what happens next. The trucks I rented were clean, well-maintained, and easy to drive, even for a first-timer. Pickup and drop-off were straightforward, and the staff guided me through paperwork efficiently. Penske also offers optional protection plans for damage or liability, which can give peace of mind for valuable items. Their loyalty program provides discounts for repeat customers, which is a nice bonus if you move frequently. Now the downsides. Rental rates are higher than some competitors, especially during peak seasons. Long-term reservations can be tricky if inventory is limited. Insurance coverage adds extra cost. The surprising truth about Penske is that reliability and support often outweigh the base rental price. A well-maintained truck and responsive customer service can prevent headaches and delays during a move. So who should use Penske? Anyone looking for a stress-free rental experience, particularly for larger moves or long-distance trips. If cost is your main concern, comparison shopping may be necessary, but the value and peace of mind often justify the price. If this review helped you plan a smoother move, subscribe for more honest moving and logistics reviews before renting your next truck.